Hi, this is Samir and you're watching Million Stack YouTube channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step video to recover your Facebook deleted ad campaigns. Might late night you are working on your Facebook ad manager to delete your low performing Facebook ad campaigns. But unfortunately, you have deleted your best performing campaigns, or else you wanted to look at previously deleted campaign, what you have strategies implemented in that ad sets, what ads you have used, what are the engagement you have got. So there might be a lot of reasons. So well, in that case, in this video I will show you a simple hack. You can stick with me and I will show you exact way to recover your Facebook ad campaigns. Facebook has a filter. You can easily filter out deleted campaigns, but you cannot go through the settings and you cannot see the audience, what you have targeted, what the settings you have selected in the campaigns ads or ad set levels. So a simple hack I will show you. You can easily recover your deleted campaigns, as well as you can use the deleted ads which you have, might be you have got engagement, but you want to use that ad in the new campaigns. So stick with me, I will show you the step-by-step video. So first you have to go in your log into your Facebook ad manager. After logging into your Facebook ads manager, on the top left corner you are able to see a small search bar. Just click there and search for delete, and then select campaign delivery is deleted, and then search for another filter, delete, and then select ad set delivery is deleted, and then another filter, select ad delivery is deleted. So now after selecting these three filters, what it does, all your deleted ad campaigns, ad sets and ads are pulled by these filters. So as you can see, all my one of my deleted campaigns are pulled here. So here is a little hack. Now you are able to do recover your deleted campaigns, or you can easily look into that and implement into your another campaigns. So let's select one of my campaign and I will show you how to recover that. So if you going to clicking to this one of the deleted campaigns, you are unable to edit or republish the ad sets or campaigns. So what you need to do, just select one of the campaign which you want to recover. So I'm selecting one of the campaign, this. So I wanted to recover this campaign. So click here and then select all your ad sets and then click duplicate. So select existing campaign. So I have created a test campaign for this video. So I'm moving these deleted ad sets in this campaign. So then select the campaign and click duplicate. So now all your campaigns are recovered in the campaign you have selected. So as you can see, so remove all these filters. So I'm selecting this campaign. So as you can see, all my ad sets are now available. So now you are able to edit these ad sets, but when you click here, you are unable to see the ad. So now let's repeat the same procedure. Search for same thing. You have to copy the ad ID also. So this is the campaign. So I'm selecting this. So this is the ad. So now you are unable to as like we have done before, add to one of the ad sets. So same thing, you have to select here and then click preview. and then select this option and click Facebook post with comments. So after that, you have to select this post ID, copy this, and go to your campaign which you have created. So remove these filters. So here is my campaign, test campaign. So select this to create a new ad. And name your test ad 1. Continue. So now here is the ad creation process. So here you have to select ad setup and use existing post, and come over here and enter your copied post ID and then paste here and submit. So what it does, all your deleted ad with including your engagements and other stuff likes comments are duplicate. This is the way you can easily recover your deleted campaigns, and as well as you can publish your recovered campaigns with the same engagement. Hope this video might you help a lot. If you have any question related to Facebook ads, Google ads, you can comment me or you can chat with me directly on my WhatsApp number. I will help you in the marketing of your business in Facebook ads, Google ads. So we'll meet you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.